Okay, so we're down here in my home gym looking at this Fitbeast grip strength kit. I bought it over a year ago, so I've been using it for a while, and I just wanted to tell you my experience with it and how I feel now that I've used it for a while. First, let me just tell you, I bought it for two reasons. One is to work on my own grip strength, but more than that, I wanted it for my kids because I have one son in particular who really needs to develop those fine motor skills for typing and writing at school and stuff like that. And so he worked with a therapist in the past, but we wanted to continue to work with him to develop those fine motor skills. So a grip strength tool does a lot of good for that. There are 5 things that come in this kit. I've already pulled them out, so let me show them to you. First, you've got this ring where you just grip it. This one doesn't put a lot of resistance if you have a big hand, but it's just, something that you can do while you're watching television or something like that. Then you've got a couple, this is another one, similar thing. Just, you just push on it. It's almost like a fidget toy, where you just grip it. And people do that with tennis balls and things like that. So those first two, I haven't found especially useful. In fact, they just stay in the bag almost always. I haven't used those. Now, these next two are interesting because they work on your individual finger strength, which is great for writing, but also if you're a musician, if you play the piano or a guitar or something, which I do, then you can just work on these and you can work individual fingers one at a time, and it's going to strengthen your fingers that way, or all of them at the same time, but you're going to feel that through your fingers, which is really interesting. Now, as much as you feel it with this, I actually hardly ever use this one either. What I do use from time to time is this one, which I'd never seen one of these before. You stick your fingers in it, which is kind of a pain to set up. But then once it's on, you just push them out, and it's actually really hard. You see, I'm barely moving. Part of it's because it's not on very good. Okay, but let me just show you with just these fingers. You just push them out, and it's really hard, and you feel it through your fingers. So this is a good one if you really want to develop that finger strength, which is kind of cool. And then you've got your traditional just grip strength thing that has the spring on it. And this one, you can actually adjust it. So it's got a thing, and then you twist it to set up the different strength. And this is the one we use the most. It's your traditional grip strength thing. And this is what you're paying for, because honestly, this is about the same cost as any other grip strength thing. And then all these other things are just like bonus. They come for free. We don't use most of the other ones very much, but I do like this one. And then I, of course, love this one. This is the one that really helps. And you feel it through your wrist, you feel it through your hand and your finger. So this one is really helpful. You'll notice that it looks like they're all in really great shape still. There's not a lot of wear and tear on that with just using it as grip strength. My kids will come down and they'll use them while I'm lifting weights, and so it's like one of the rotations down here in the gym. But then we also use it while we're watching television and stuff like that. It's been a great set. I can't believe it's still this cheap on Amazon. It's been awesome for us. So great experience so far, going on like a year and a half using it. Thanks. Bye.